Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 15th, 2021. Here we are. We're going to talk about Disney stock and give you all a heads up as to where we're expecting the price to go. We're going to give it to you in a way that's not going to be confusing. We're going to give it to you on a very clean chart. We're not going to place umpteen indicators just to give you ideas to where price is going to go, because it doesn't require all of that information. All right. If you want to become part of this team, part of this community with all the non-hype and all the non-FUD and FOMO, you need to follow us, right? You need to hit the like button, share, subscribe, and come back and view these videos continually so that you can learn for yourself how to precisely call the market and not be tricked into some very bad positions. Because in actuality, there's a lot of entertainment channels, a lot of channels on YouTube that is simply telling you to buy stocks. That's the only thing they talk about. Every thumbnail you read, they're telling you just to click, buy the stocks, and they never coming in and telling you when these stocks need to be a sell, right? This market does not operate in one direction. It goes in three ways: higher, lower, or sideways. They need to start giving you some videos to tell you when the stock is anticipated to go down, because it does. You guys can see it right here in our last video in Disney. We told you that the market was weak in Disney back on March the 13th, 2021. We told you all that the market was going to go lower in Disney, and that is precisely where the trap has taken the price. It has dipped lower. So good call, right? We saw the market dip in Disney. We knew that the market was going to go lower back here toward the midpoint of March. So 11.94% could have been had on that particular day. Or I think we had our support area right there around $180, which is around 8.25. Excellent. Okay, that is done. That is over. We move forward and we ensure that we get back in position to where we anticipate the price to go. So let's do it right now. First things first, I'm gonna zoom out and I want you all to take a look at the overall market sentiment in Disney. Okay, tell me, what do you all see? You see the market in a upward trend, and right now, based off our last ascending line, the ascending line we got on our chart, the market has broken that to the downside. So obviously, this is not how strong the market in Disney really is. Okay, so we need to alter this ascending line first off. And what we're going to do, we're going to take it to the point to where the market last came and touched, which is right here. Okay, to where the market is trying to come in and find some support. We really don't have any areas alongside this ascending line that would substantiate that this is the trend. Okay, so first things first, we're going to bring it down again. So this would be the overall trend into the market in Disney. These are the two lowest points on the ascending line that the market has not broken below. This is the ultimate area that Disney's price has to trade above in order for this market to go higher. Okay, so we're going to hold it here. Okay, just because of this area here and the start of the trend at the low of the market there. All right, so we're going to follow that. So now we're in position. Now, yesterday, the market in Disney did see some weakness and movement lower. I mean, we closed down 2.6% on yesterday's trading. We are now showing you that this is where the market is trying to come in and hold support. Okay, this is the last area before we see this market in Disney really make a bigger move to the downside. So on today's video, we need to make a determination if the likelihood of Disney holding this area as support is greater here, or can we expect the market to come all the way back down here towards $150, $155, $150 in that vicinity in the long term. We really need to pay attention to that. Okay, so let's switch over the time frame into the market in Disney real quick. Let's look at this on a 2-day time frame. And first things first, we've seen enough volume come in on this 2-day price bar to substantiate that yes, we did see some buyers come into the market in Disney, which is not a bad thing. It's actually pretty good to see that, because it lets us know that the market is definitely trying to hold price right there around $169. Right there. So let's take a look at the market on the 3-day time frame real quick. And again, the market is not overly strong and it's not overly weak neither. Okay, So what we need to realize is that the weakness is still dominating this particular stock, and we're just maybe taking a break right before we see another resumption movement back down to the downside. Okay. So I want to also show you that the market in Disney is also in a downtrend. So take a look at this. So we're going to follow this trend though. Okay. And the market currently is giving us support right there around $168. But the trend is down. Okay, we'll be the one to tell you that. Let's look at how we ended the week. And right here, the market in Disney definitely substantiates that the weakness is still present. We're just taking a small break right here around support. So we can see the market bounce from here, no doubt. I'll be telling you that as well. But I won't become bullish or anticipate higher price movement until Disney breaks its price back up above $180. Or I will take all the way up there around $185. Price cannot break above $185 over the next couple of days. Understand that the resumption of lower prices is still on the table. No doubt. Okay. And that, until we see that occur, we'll have to play the weakness into the market in Disney. So on this particular video, we're going to play that. $185 is where we're going to have our ultimate restriction price in the market for Disney. And the next area of support, and it's very shallow, like this is not a strong area of support, which is right here from the week of January the 25th, 2021. That will be the closest point that the market will try to come in and prop itself up under the premise that it cannot hold 168. Okay. So this is it. This is our expectations. We're going to play the weakness in the market in Disney. Nothing has changed. The market is still trading below our descending line, and it has to break above $185 before anything changes in regards to our prediction. Okay, so this is what we're going to play with. We're playing the weakness all the way down here to $160. If we can't hold 160, we're coming all the way back down to 150. So I'm telling you that right now as well. So let's bring down this ascending line. This is the trend currently ongoing into the market in Disney. Let's bring this over so we can watch the next couple of weeks into the market in Disney. So we are in a position, we are watching the market. And just to give you all a heads up, beginning half of next week, I will be looking for the market in Disney to try to make some movement high in price, right? 180 is the first area of restriction. The next one is 183, which will bring us to this descending line, right? I'm not going to be fooled into thinking that the market in Disney cannot go higher, especially in the early stages of our prediction. Okay. But for the long term, which we're playing this out for, I would say for the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we're looking for this market in Disney to continue to give us just that lower price. So this is it. We're in position. This is our expectations as to what we're looking for the market in Disney to do. I want you all to tell me, what do you all see into the market in Disney? Do you expect the price to go lower? Do you think the market's going to go higher? Tell me, leave the comment in the comment section and get in position. This is what we're all about. Dominating the market by predicting where price is going to go. And let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.